everybody, and thank you very much for being with us here today. We have with us Amir Khan, who's been very kind enough to agree to come and release the trailer today, and Sonam for being here to support her dad. Okay, thank you for being here, and to all my friends, all the cast and crew. A big thank you to Mr. Kalsi, Sanjeev Handa from Maruti, because without your support, this show wouldn't be on air. You know, we had to spend a lot of money on this show, and thank you for giving it to us. And also Mr. Chin for Oppo Mobiles, who've been the powered by sponsor for this show. And Oppo, you know, I told Anil, just before we came in, we were in a holding area, and I was trying to strike a deal between Sonam and Chin, and I said, Mr. Chin, let me introduce you to Sonam, because she could be your future model. You know, shows you how much of advertising I watch. Okay, and I thought I'll make a quick commission here. Was a super flop because he said she's already a model. And I told Anil, मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बता देते? Probably I would have asked for more money for the sponsorship. Thank you very much for being here. Actually, I must thank Anil because it was 3 years ago when I first met Anil. I had heard about this, that Anil was planning to bring 24 to India, and he was in discussion with various other broadcasters. And I said, okay, it should be on Colors, because the show and I was a great fan of Jack Bauer, and I watched the international show. I've watched almost all seasons. And so I went and met Anil, and you know, sometimes when you meet somebody, there is chemistry, there's magic, it's love at first sight. I think that's what happened between the two of us. We are not gay. There's nothing wrong with it. I 100% agree with you. My wife may get a little worried. That's the only difference. I can tell I swing both ways. That's fine. But back to it. We met, and it just took us 20 minutes to shake hands, and I think rest was history. Anil has been extremely supportive. I mean, season 1 was tough because we were doing it for the first time in India, and hopefully we've learned a lot from it. And season 2 plans to be bigger, better, everything that this young lady said. And I want to thank all of you. I hope you'll continue to give us your love, your support. And I don't want to take too much time, but I want to thank Anil. Anil, this has been a great journey, and I hope 7 more seasons we will partner together. Okay? And you know, the beauty about doing this show with Anil Kapoor is 7 years later, he will still remain as young. Yeah. You know? Thank you very much. And may I request Anil to come and say a few words.
बहुत बड़े-बड़े लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, कलसी साहब, सोनम, मी एंड आमिर तो we are strugglers basically. जिंदगी भर हम लोग स्ट्रगलर ही रहेंगे. Abhinay साहब is here, and you know, and Ashish साहब, thank you very much, all of you all. Well, I'm very, very proud today to introduce you to the most relentless, passionate, committed people, and to the world of 24 season 2. And I'm really, really proud to be here. I want to thank, of course, the forces behind Colors, the dynamic, visionary Raj Sahab, Raj Nayak, who's standing in front of me, and of course, the multi-talented Manisha Sharma. Is Manisha here? She couldn't make it. I want to thank Manisha. And Raj has been a real true friend, you know, a friend. And I hope ये हमारी दोस्ती ज़िंदगी भर रहेगी. ये दोस्ती, ये collaboration, और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ये seasons हम करते रहेंगे. 7 season. Obviously, my mom is going to divorce me because जैसे मैं 24 की shooting करता हूँ, please stop this 24. Why are you going so mad, यार? My son also tells me, यार इतना क्यों इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो? क्यों इतना पागल हो रहे हो आप लोग सब लोग? But that's the way we feel for 24. And of course, I want to thank all our backers, Kalsi Saab, Maruti, and Mr. Chin from Oppo. Without their generous support, I wouldn't be standing here. We wouldn't be standing here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Esteemed members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, and the galaxy of stars from 24 as well as from Bollywood. A very good evening to all of you. In fact, a few minutes ago, we were introduced to Mr. Amir Khan, and he asked, so you guys are sponsors. So I would like to say that we were the sponsors, now we are friends. And we have a great association with Colors, and in fact, through number of Colors programs, be it India Got Talent, be it Big Boss, be it Khatron Ke Khiladi, we have had very strong association with Colors, and we have done a lot of work.
IFA also.
IFA also, yes. IFA, of course, yes. And great work we have done, and many groundbreaking integrations we have done through these programs. It's been wonderful working with Colors, and taking this relationship forward. We are actually, quite excited about our association with 24. And in fact, there is a big synergy between 24 and our S-Cross, which is the lead car, or the car which Jai Singh Rathod has chosen to use in his high-profile role as the savior of the nation. And I'm sure that this kind of a synergy is going to continue.
Namaste, everyone here. Oppo India and Colors Channel have a long and healthy partnership. With this new association, we will continue to cater our right audience. Just as Kanya Kap said, this new season will bring us technology and action and patriotic drama. We wish Colors, we wish the 24, the new season, big success. Thank you.
You know, certain friendships, certain relationships, ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि नज़र लग जाती है. But Amir has been a friend, a colleague, a younger brother, sometimes more an elder brother. And well, what do I say? You know, we all know what Amir is, and we, not only me, my entire family loves Amir, and we all love Amir. So thank you, Amir, for coming in. I want you to come here on stage. Thank you so much.
Well, it's a real pleasure to be here. One of the few actors that I like to watch and whose work I look forward to is Anil. And so the new season of 24 is one that I'm looking forward to as well. I think season 1 was really popular. Wherever I went, people would talk about it, tell me about it, praise the serial, praise your work, Anil. So every time I used to hear that, I used to feel really happy. And I'm sure that season 2 is going to go even beyond that. So I'm really looking forward to season 2. And I think the energy that Anil does things with is so unique. He's got such a childlike curiosity about all the work he does and excitement with which he approaches anything, not just work. You know, it could be a meal, it could be anything. So I just love that about Anil, and I think that that's the energy that he brings to all the work that he does. I mean, when I saw Zoya's film, Dil Dhadakne Do, I was just bowled over by Anil's performance, and he constantly surprises you and entertains you in so many ways. Wishing you all the best, Anil. Yeah. I think it's going to be something that we'll all look forward to, and my good wishes and congratulations to the entire team. That is really fantastic, yeah. I really love that. What do you guys think? Huh? Anil? It's amazing. Yeah?
I want your feedback.
No, I thought it was amazing. I mean, I can't imagine on television to see, you know, the scale and it's like watching the movies. Yeah? There's no difference at all, and it's really wonderful to see that, you know, this quality of work is happening on television. And you know, Abhinay is someone who I've worked with earlier, and he's done a wonderful job. Well done, yeah. Really amazing. You know, the entire cast. Who's on the background score? Yeah?
Raju Singh.
Very good background, yeah. The background score, I mean, everything. You know, the production design, all the actors, Renzel. So it's wonderful. Yeah. It's great to see that. Yeah. I'm really taken aback by what I've seen. and I have absolutely no doubts in my mind that it's going to really fly.
Thank you very much.
I would like Abhinay to come on stage, please. Abhinay. Abhinay.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the directors of our show, Abhinay Dio. Give him a round of applause.
Renzel, please also. You also come, please.
So when is it starting on TV?
Raj is the boss.
17th of July.
So, Abhinay, we'd like to hear from you, please, first.
So, first of all, as Amir said, it is not, he's given me a much more credit than I deserve. I think it's a relentless work of all of the 24 team. And I personally believe that everyone, whether it's cast, crew, everyone has superseded themselves. I think what they've done the last season, the new cast and the crew which has come in, because without the whole team, it's impossible to come up with this quality of work, or any work for that matter. So please, this is Ren and all of you over here. Thank you so much for being so incredibly, to push yourself so much, for the show, to be able to achieve something as good as what we just saw. And hopefully we should be able to deliver even more, as the show comes on air. Thank you.
The kind of contribution the Colors team has given to this show, we've learned so much. And I mean it from obviously we are all learning from this show. First season, we all were trying to do something which has never been done on Indian television, so we all were learning. The channel was learning, we all were learning, and we all have learned, and we have learned a lot from the channel. And especially Raj, thank you so much. You've been a great, great friend. And I want to thank Manisha is not here, but her contribution is tremendous. I mean it from my bottom of my heart. Seriously, thank you very much. And the entire star cast over here, has been wonderful. The technicians, everyone has worked relentlessly, passionately. I just don't have any words. This show is not about money. I swear on God, I mean it. We all are doing it because we love this show. We love 24. So I think we're going to have a Q&A, Amir, and with the...
I don't know whether I've seen anything like this on Indian television before. Am I mistaken? Because I don't watch much TV. But on this scale, I don't think there's anything that has been there.
So please praise me.
A big congratulations to
but
Colors.
season 1 was the first step.
Yeah.
Season 2 will be
even bigger.
And it's been a labor pain, to be very honest. We've gone through this for almost now. That's one thing we've learned, and hopefully, the business that we are in, it's quite dynamic. It's been now almost 2 years, 1.5 years.
1.5.
1.5 years. I think the gap was a little too much, and hopefully when we do the next season, we won't have that kind of a gap. And but it's been good. It's been a good learning, and it's been a good journey. In fiction show, I don't think there is any other show on Indian television that's as expensive as well as in terms of mounting any show of this scale and size. And the casting, I think the casting has been brilliant. Brilliant.
I want to hear Renzel, what he has to say as a writer, the person who starts it all. Huh?
Yeah, I just want to say that it has been a year and a half of writing, which is quite exhausting. I don't see many of the writers here, but on their behalf, I just want to say it was great fun, but we killed ourselves. It's actually like writing about 8 movies. If you just look at the number of hours of footage you need to put on air, it's about 30 hours you cut down to 20, 24. So that's a lot of writing. So I don't know where the writing team is, but I just want to say that we had a really difficult time.
हाय मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले अनिल
जी
Hi,
अच्छा
अनिल जी, hi.
लेडीज
नवीन
फर्स्ट
from-
तो नहीं होता है यहाँ पे क्या हुआ चलो गो अहेड
अनिल जी, नवीन फ्रॉम जूम. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि स्टंट करने में आपको कितनी चोटें आई एंड बॉडी डबल यूज हुआ कि नहीं एंड कितनी मुश्किल रही स्टंट के लिए?
इस वक्त तो पूरा मेरा शरीर चोटों से भरा हुआ है ऑनेस्टली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू. मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट सिर्फ मेरा ही नहीं, अभिनय और मैं रात शाम को कल फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे थे तो मैंने पूछा कहाँ था यार, तेरे को फ़ोन लगा रहा हूँ तू फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा. बोला मैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट पे. बोला डोंट वरी, मैं भी फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट पे ही हूँ. So basically, the entire team has been in, there's been quite a bit of injuries on the set. And matter of fact, Alan Amin, who's doing a wonderful job, I don't know where he is. Alan's up, fantastic he has been, and of course, quite a few of his stuntmen also got unfortunately injured during the shooting. But everybody is fine and fit to work relentlessly and with the same kind of passion and dedication, and try to do much more than our capacity and ability. Yeah, चोटें बहुत हैं.
Hello, congratulations, Anil.
ऑल राइट
राज
मैम
जी,
यस योर्स
राज जी ये सवाल आपसे है. ये जो है आपने बिल्कुल फिल्म के स्टाइल में बनाया है और हम आपको बधाई देते हैं, लेकिन क्या वजह है और भी दूसरे सीरियल्स आए जैसे युद्ध आया था, अमित जी थे, काफ़ी अच्छा उसका कंटेंट था, लेकिन इसकी बराबरी नहीं कर पाया. तो क्या वजह है कि ये दर्शकों को बांध कर रखा है इसने इतने महीने?
मैं दूसरे शो के बारे में नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, मगर अमित जी बहुत बड़े कलाकार हैं और हम उनकी बहुत इज्जत करते हैं. मगर 24 जब हमने किया, जब एक तो इंटरनेशनल फॉर्मेट है तो थोड़ा ग्रामर, टेलीविज़न का ग्रामर जो है, जो फॉर्मेट है, मगर हिंदुस्तान में इसको अडेप्ट करना काफ़ी मुश्किल है क्योंकि यहाँ यू हैव टू बी वेरी सेंसिटिव. रिलीजन इज़ अ topic you have to be careful about, politics is a topic you have to be careful about, so it's very difficult to adapt, and the way the team has put it together. और हमने तो अनिल जी ने और सारे टीम ने दिल से, लगन से कोशिश की है कि हमसे जितना अच्छा हुए हम उतना अच्छा शो बनाए. और कलर्स में हम जब भी कुछ करते हैं हम उसी इंटेंट से करते हैं कि हम सबसे अच्छा करेंगे. चलेगा तो चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा तो end of the day it's the viewer who decides, but we give it our 100% shot और हम कोई कसर बाकी नहीं छोड़ती है. So that's what it is. We have given it our best shot and it is showing on air.
Yeah, congratulations.
Mr. Kapoor, I have two questions for you, Mr. Kapoor. Here, I got two questions. One is that you as an actor and the producer, how much is that you are evolved with the 24 series?
Well, I think I'm evolving every day. And we're learning every day on this show as a producer and also as an actor. I can't say how much I've involved, but I really, it's a learning experience. It's been very, very educative, this whole show which we have done. Yeah, and hopefully in future, this is a format which is an international format. But our dream is, all of us, our dream is to do something which is original. This is an adaptation. So the dream is to make something original which will travel all over the world. That's the dream.
And my second question is that since it's a home production, so do we get to see Sonam a bit or
She says she wants to play the female Jack Bauer. So either it's me or Sonam. Yeah.
So do we get to see her in next season or something?
Then obviously she can, but I won't be there.
But then Mr. Kapoor won't be there.
Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Yes ma'am.
This question is for Mr. Raj. What is the ROI usually of shows like this?
Don't speak about ROI when you come to a show like this because, let me put it in context for you. If we are spending X on a show, on a regular fiction show, we are spending 20X on a show like this. So you can't look at ROI. I mean, if you start looking at ROI for everything that you do, every show that you do, I think then you will not be able to do shows like this in India. I think as a leaders, as a channel that has a leadership position, we believe that we need to take that step, we need to take that leap of faith, and I'm sure, I've said this before and I say it again, shows like 24, it will take time and others will follow, and hopefully the whole content game in India will change, and it's happening. And now with so many multi-platforms coming for exposing this content, I think the popularity will become bigger and bigger.
हेलो अनिल जी, दिस इज़ पूजा फ्रॉम टेली मसाला. सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये इस सीज़न 2 को लाने में 3 साल लग गए सर. मतलब इतनी कौन कौन सी तैयारी करनी पड़ी आप लोगों को कि इतना वक्त लग गया सीज़न 2 लाने में?
ये सवाल किसके लिए?
सर आपके लिए.
हाँ जी,
आपके लिए सर.
हाँ, 2 साल, क्योंकि obviously it's I work in films also. तो अगर मैं हर साल ये it's a tough thing for me to do. So I had committed to 2 films, so I had to complete both the films, Dil Dhadakne Do and Welcome. And it's the kind of scale this show is, we need a lot of prep, and the writing takes time, so that is the reason. But I'm sure in the future the gap will be not so much, hopefully. Yeah.
All right, ma'am. Yes, your question. Yeah.
To be honest with you, no. He obviously, if like Sonam said, she wants to be Jack Bauer. I think with Amir, we'll have to have 2 Jack Bauers. Not, he's not the part of. I would love him to be part of this show, and I'm sure if I request him, he'll never say no to me to grace our show. But 24 is whoever comes to the show has to come very organically. It's not a show which depends. Even if you see me also, or see all the actors and whoever's there's been Shabana ji and so many Anupam and all. We play characters in this show. It's not a star-driven show. We are all characters. So if there is a character in the show which is for any it can be anyone. We'll try our best that he or she would be on the show if he or she lacks the role. Yeah.
मेरा सवाल डायरेक्टर से है. जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि
ma'am, you're like the voice of God right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, I'll tell you one thing. I have a whole line of people waiting. We did give you a chance to ask a question. Thank you. So, ma'am, yes, you, ma'am. There.
Hello. Yeah. Hi. My question is to Mr. Kalsi. What made you select 24? Like there are many television shows. What made you select 24?
Well, as I mentioned in the beginning also, it's a matter of relationship and trust. And second thing, which Raj mentioned, that they have leadership position on television. Likewise, we have the leadership position in the automobile industry. And with more than say 47% market share, we have to continuously raise the bar for ourselves. And whatever we associate with has to be of equally good quality. And we found that kind of similarity with the show when the brief was given to us. And that was the reason we associated ourselves and our best model from our portfolio S-Cross with this program.
All right. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Sunil from Movie Talkies. And Anil sir, I would like to ask you that you just now said that you would like to create something of your own which will travel the world. But you recently bought rights for Prison Break as well. And
and Modern Family.
Sorry?
And Modern Family.
Yeah, so basically, can we see the show very soon? And I mean,
at the moment, the focus is only 24, and I'm not going to discuss anything else. It's 24, season 2.
Congratulations, Mr. Anil Kapoor.
Yeah.
I'd like to ask you that how do you keep balance between the TV and films?
It's a tough ride for me because here I am. I remember, obviously, Amir has always been the leader and been an inspiration. And as a friend and as a colleague, in spite of he being younger than me, but sometimes you learn from from youngsters. And I remember when he was doing Satyamay Jayate, and he didn't do anything else. And so I think for both of us, no matter what the format is, when we try to do something, at least I've done. Like I've not done any film since the last 1 year. I've just devoted myself for shooting for 24. So I'm available to all of them for 24. So that's it's a tough ride. So because obviously there are a lot of films which I want to do, which I'm, matter of fact, I'm being very honest. There was a very, very exciting international project which came to me, which was they wanted to shoot in July, August, but I had to pass that film. And I'm being very honest with you. So we all are trying to do. I think Abhinay, Renzel, all of us, all the actors, colors, we're trying to do our best where this show is concerned. Yeah. So it's been a tough ride. It's a tough ride. Yeah.
It's always said that content is the king. Jabki is a strong content wala show television mein aaya tha. So both charges numbers ki convert to content. I can see that in the other also. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, you see, I can say something which I will say it again and again. I remember when Mr. India released, and including Dil Chahta and so many other films, and there was a film, I'm not saying anything else, there was so many films which released with both these films. They did much bigger numbers than Mr. India and Dil Chahta. And but the idea is that time, obviously when that happened during Mr. India, we were slightly, we felt low, and because this is a small film with, and it just became a bigger success, and we took some wrong decisions. But it's not going to happen in the future. No matter what the TRP is, no matter what the GRP is of 24, the commitment and the passion will be the same.
Hello, my question is to Oppo's spokesperson. Sir, what is your target audience for the 24?
Ma'am, would you like to take that question? Yeah? Thank you.
Since the show is all about technology, it is focused on, I would in fact call it on a topic which is really related to country, and then yes, it has lot of youth. I'm sure many people out here has watched 24 season 1. So if you are particularly talking about the TG, what we are taking here is, yes, 18 above till 34.
All right. So we have time just for one more question.
Sir, my question is for Abhinay sir. Abhinay sir, which things was easy in this second season for you and which things were difficult for you?
Sorry? Yeah.
So this second season, which things was easy for you and which things were difficult for you? Which things was you feel it was very difficult?
I think when it comes to 24, when you say 24, to be honest, everything is difficult. Okay, there is hardly any easy route when we talk about 24, because it is, see, 24, that's what I initially said, that 24 is all about trying to push the envelope of television, and when we try to do that as a team, we keep facing incredible amount of challenges, because television is viewed in a certain way, there are certain kind of audience that views it, and we are trying to change their viewing pattern. We're trying to give them something completely new. So whenever something new comes up, I believe it comes up with a whole lot of difficulties. I would say that difficulty is a wrong word. Challenges is a better word. And I personally believe that 24 comes to us with a whole lot of challenges, whether it's cast, crew, technicians, everyone. And I think that pretty much is what we are facing, which is incredible amount of challenges to finish the show so that it can come to you guys and you'll be able to react to it. And hopefully you'll react well.
All right. Thank you all so much for being here with us today. Before we
I just want to say something.
Yes,
we mentioned all the cast, crew, technicians, but 3 people whose name I would like to mention here who are very important to us in the sense they played a very big role from the color side. One is Udayan, Jalal, wherever you are, and the writer from our side, B.R. Sharan, wherever you are. I don't see 3 of you, but Jalal, you've been very, very important to us, especially to get across to Anil and make sure that he gives us time as well. And Udayan, thank you very much wherever you are.